Hi guys, I'm Aaron Kongsaysys with Feeding My Big Lao Family. Today I am making the foundation of Lao cooking, sticky rice. Along with that, I'm making Lao marinated ribs and Jeow Mak Len, which is a spicy tomato dipping sauce that goes so well with the rice and the ribs, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it today. Alright, we are going to marinate the ribs while the sticky rice is being soaked. Hey guys, we are done. Here are the ribs, the Jeow Mak Len, and my sticky rice. And my taste tester today is my nephew Josiah. He just woke up. Are you hungry? Yeah? Okay. Can you try this for me? Yeah. Let's eat together. Oh guys. Some more? Yes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Follow me here on Facebook, Feeding My Big Lao Family, and also on YouTube and Instagram and Twitter, Feeding My Big Lao Family. Thanks for watching. See you next time.